to be never on your...
Hello friends, and welcome back to A Cozy Lifestyle with Clarissa Coward. I hope that you are enjoying your spring, you're getting ready for your summer, and that everything is going well. I'm going to be doing my coffee, for everyone else, tea area for us for spring and into summer. So I am going to be doing this side, or this particular tray. I may do two today if there's time, but this one will be the birds and the bees. So I am going to, of course, I've removed everything. I'm going to clean the area and then I'll start decorating. Now here, if you'll follow me, on the table, you'll see some of the items that I may be using. And I'm sorry for the lighting, but this bay window does not do well for filming. Okay, that's a little better. You can kind of see. Of course, there's a tier tray. And then I have a lot of bee-themed items. But it's going to be whimsical because I may throw in a little gnome. Of course, I have some birds and some colorful florals. Of course, I won't use it all, but I will use some of it. So this is what I'm starting out with. And as I said, this is not going to be formal or anything. It's going to actually be whimsical, fun for the spring and the summer. So I'm going to start cleaning and then we'll start decorating. And again, it's going to be the birds and the bees, okay? Let's get started. Come on in.
I'm buzzing, let's drink up. Your death look like big fun. Come on, let's get it on. Like that Marvin Gaye song. I'm stunning, you love it. Come on, give me something. I know that you want it. Come on, give me something. The night is young and so are we. So maybe you should leave with me. The night is young and so are we, baby. The night is young, so let's have some fun. If you love me right, yeah, this could be the summer of our lives now, honey. Give it to me like you know you should now, baby. This could be the summer of our lives, the summer of our lives. The sun sets on fire, tell me your desires. We're not getting tired, baby, take me higher. I'm sunning, you love it, come on, give me something. I know that you want it, boy. The night is young and so are we. So maybe you should leave with me. The night is young and so are we, baby. The night is young, so let's have some fun. If you love me right, yeah, this could be the summer of our lives now, honey. Give it to me like you know you should now, baby. This could be the summer of our lives, the summer of our lives. Give it to me, baby, all night. We can keep on dancing all night. Give it to me, baby, all night. Give it to me, baby, all night. We can keep on dancing all night. Give it to me, baby, all night. You love me right. If you love me right, if you love me right, yeah, this could be the summer of our lives now, honey. Give it to me like you know you should now, baby. This could be the summer of our lives, the summer of our lives. Give it to me, baby, all night. We can keep on dancing all night. Give it to me, baby, all night. Give it to me, baby, all night. We can keep on dancing all night. Give it to me, baby, all night. Let's go. Oh, we're living in the present. beauty in the pain. Not often we can see the value that we gain. Now listen, little one, the wounds will heal in time. I know it wastes time, but baby, you'll be fine. You'll be fine, 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 fine. You'll be fine. You'll be fine, 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 fine. You'll be fine, fine. Hey. You'll be fine, 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 fine. You'll be fine. You'll be fine, 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 fine. You'll be fine, fine. Baby, you'll be fine. Someone new. I've never felt this stupid thinking I'm enough for you. Tell me, is she cute? Is she my substitute? I've never felt so certain that I've had enough for you. I believe it's true. You're all for someone new. I've never felt this stupid thinking I'm enough for you. Tell me, is she cute? Is she my substitute? I've never felt so certain that I've had enough for you. Darling, I would die for you. Tell 1,000 lies for you. Love you like the ocean, love you in slow motion. Anything it takes to make you stay. But I can't rely on you. Doesn't matter what I do. You say you need a time, I think.
So friends, the birds and the bees tea area is all done. I have quite a few DIYs in here. Of course, the books are DIY. The little house is a DIY with the bee on it. The miniature rolling pins are also DIYs. The candle is a DIY. I didn't make the candle. I decorated it, however. And it's all done. I think it's whimsical. See my little birdies tucked in there? And I think it's cute. As the season rolls on, I have a few other things I'm going to add to this. I'm going to leave it the birds and the bees, but I'm also going to add like ice cream and, you know, things that relate to summer. And as I come across other bee items, I'll be picking those up as well. It's fun to DIY, but they have some really cute items out there. The Be My sign I got, and it's been up there a little bit. I picked up at a place here called the Painted Tree. And it's a place where crafters and other people, other entrepreneurs, have their wares. Everyone has a booth. I think I mentioned I'm thinking about getting one. There's a waiting list, I found out though. So I'm going to add myself to that. And yeah, I think it turned out really cute. Tucked away in there is Be Kind. However, I'm going to stop this for a minute because there's something missing. There's something that I always tuck into my vignettes, or at least my trays, that I don't have over here just now. So hold on a second. I'll be right back. Okay, so yeah, I usually try to incorporate an angel tucked away somewhere in there. So I added her. She's kneeling there next to the Be Kind, which is a perfect place for her to be, next to the Be Kind mug. So yeah, I think it came out nice. What do you think? Leave me a comment below and let me know. And if you stuck and stayed till I ended this one, why don't you leave me a yellow heart down below? So guys, I appreciate you watching with me. I appreciate you sticking and staying till the end. I always ask you to do that because it helps my channel. And as you know, it's a lifestyle channel. And we do things like we've done today: decorating, seasonal decor, organization. Yes, and we also recipes here and there, shopping hauls, prepping, just everything that we can think of over here that will help you, or encourage you, I should say, to live a comfortable and cozy lifestyle without spending a lot of money. And showing that it can be done in not so large spaces as well. So if that sounds like something that would interest you, why don't you hit that subscribe button below? Once you do, hit that bell so you'll be notified of all upcoming content. There's lots more to do and see. Remember to find something today to bring joy into your life. And I'm going to leave you the way that I always do, with lots of love, with hugs, and with blessings. Also guys, I am going to be doing a voiceover at the end here because I am going to shout out another YouTube channel that I love. Okay? So stick and stay. Don't go away. Friends, this week I am shouting out Shanji's Home Decor and Lifestyle. And Shanji has a beautiful channel. She is redoing her home, and she's doing it in the French country decor with a shabby chic flair. And I think you're going to love it. And she does something that's really, really nice. She does a Zen moment in most of her videos, which is so nice in this crazy world we're living in right now. So head on over there, let her know that I sent you, and you're going to love her channel. When you get there, please let Shanji know that I sent you. And Shanji, for you, I want you to know that I love your channel. I'll leave a link to Shanji's YouTube channel below. I'll see you in the next video. It's pretty clear you're on your way out. And though I understand it's hard sometimes to make up your mind in these trying times, yeah, I just can't accept you leaving me when I'm overseas with the heart so heavy. Think that I deserve the truth for once, not a guilty tone, cause you're not alone, yeah. You said you wanna come home, but I know you don't. So this time something to say to me, then say it to my face, what it's all about, why you're bailing out. Think you owe me an apology, just say it to my face, you're sorry. You're so sorry.